Yes. So 5B students, class 5B. Yeah. Till which question we have done in your class 5B?
Sir,
Ashpa is there. Ashpa.
sir, in
Abhiyan.
class 50 we have to do. Sir, in class 50.
Yes. Bhakti and Abhiyan. Can you tell me what have you done in your class? Bhakti and Abhiyan.
Sir, in class 5th B, we have to do 10.3 exercise E, solve the following problems.
Okay.
No, sir. Sir, we have to do the D part solve and round of the answer
Sir, this
to
one.
the decimal place. D part.
Okay.
Sir, for D part, you have tell that this is your homework.
Okay.
No, above of that above was our homework.
Okay.
We have to do, sir, in 50 we have to do start the chapter.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Triangles, we have to start the chapter. Also the
Yes, sir. In 50, we have to start a new chapter.
Yes, sir.
No problem. All of you listen. This is actually a period of my period is in 5th B. All the other sections are having a substitution in this. All the other sections are having an arrangement in this period. Actually, in real, I have my period in 5B. So I will be moving according to class 5B. In 5B, we have to discuss questions of D part of exercise 10.3. Question D मुझको discuss करना है यहाँ पे. And after D, we will do question E. Okay. So those who have already done in other sections, these questions in section A and section C, I think you people have done question D already. So you can have a revision of these questions. You can try them again in your copies. Question D and question E both are to be done in your copies, not in the book, in the copies. Okay. So I'm doing some parts of question D here on the board. 10.3 exercise question D. Exercise 10.3 question D. Six point 7.4 first one. 6.74 plus 2 point, sorry, 18.21 plus 18.21. You have to add these two numbers, and after adding the numbers, you have to write your answer in one decimal place. Okay, so let us add the two numbers, 6.74 and 18.21. Let's add the two numbers. You all know how to add decimal numbers. 4 plus 1 is 5, 7 plus 2 is 9, 14, 4, 2. 24.95 is the sum. 24.95 is the sum. Now, after adding the two numbers, you have to write your answer in one decimal place. So, answer will be 24.95. When you round it off to one decimal place, your answer will be 25.0, which is also equal to 25. So, simply 25 is your answer. 25.0 or 25. Simply you can write 25. Okay. Do this in your copies, all of you. So I think section A and section C have already done this in their copies. So you can have a revision of this. If you want, you can do these questions again in your copies. Okay. This will give you a good practice. Total 35 students are there. This is maximum I have ever taught online. Most number of students I have ever taught online. 35, 34. Unnati, beta, do you want to say something? Unnati?
Yes, sir. I want to ask that what we are doing and what we have to do as I was disconnected.
I'm saying that in your section 5C, we have already done these questions. So in other section 5B, we have not done this. So I'm doing these questions. So this is a repetition of what you have already done. So you can, if you want, you can do them again, or you can just have a look at these questions and revise what you have already done. It will be better if you do them again in your copies. Okay. Anshika, you want to say something?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir, we have to. These are the questions of decimal.
No, beta, this is exercise 10.3. This is chapter rounding numbers. Rounding numbers में there is use of decimals also. थोड़ा सा decimal का भी use हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Okay. Yeah, Mridul Patel, you want to say something? And Vedic?
Sir, to which number we rounded off 95?
Yeah, I will tell you. Don't worry. Vedic, you want to say something?
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Voice is not clear. Maybe
Sir,
some net.
your voice is echoing.
Acha. So maybe some network problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Daksh, you want to say something? Daksh Mehrotra. Daksh Mehrotra, you want to say something?
Which part of 10.3?
This is exercise 10.3 question D, first part. Okay. We have to first add the numbers and then round off to one decimal place. Okay. Now, someone was asking me that how we have done this. How when we rounded off 24.95 we get 25. कैसे आएगा? So 24.95 you have to round off to one decimal place. So when you round it off to one decimal place, that means you have to remove this digit 5. 5 को हटा के 0 करना है. So how you are going to do this? 24.90 first option इसके पीछे and the next option इसके आगे क्या होगा? Now when you 9 के आगे क्या आएगा? It will be 10. So 10 will 1 will carry in the next digit. 9 के बाद 10 बन जाएगा. So 10 का 1 जो वो carry हो जाएगा. So this becomes 25.00. 25.00. So but the digit that we are removing here is 5. Now 5, whenever the last digit is 5 or greater than 5, we move on to the greater answer. This one is wrong. So that means 25.00 is the answer. When you round off, you get 25. Okay. Got it? Okay. Question number 2. I hope you all have done this in your copies. Question 2. थोड़ा सा मेरा mic off कर दीजिए. "36 students. Maximum number of students I have ever taught online." Yes, this is a record. 17.89 minus 13.06. 17.89 minus 13.06. This is the question. So subtract first 17.89 minus 13.06. Subtraction करना है. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8.7 minus 3 is 4. This is 0. So 4.83. Now when you round off, your answer will be round off to one decimal place. So when you remove the last digit, this is 3. It is smaller than 5. So that means you will easily just remove the digit without making any change. So 4.8 is your answer. 4.8. Got it? Do this in your copies, all of you. 5B students are, this is mainly for 5B students. 5A and 5C have already done this. So they are doing their revision. The other two sections, 5A and 5C, का ये revision चल रहा है, and 5B are doing this for the first time. 37 students, maximum, another record. This is a record-breaking class. Bhakti has already done this. Bhakti from class 5B has already done this in her copy. Question 3 you all will do on your own. It is similar to the first and second one. In fact, all the other questions are also similar. Question 4 में multiply हो रहा है, so let me help you out in this. It is also very simple. Question 4. Fourth part of this. Third one you have to do on your own. Fourth part. 7.48 multiplied by 2.7. Sir, I have read chapter triangles and quadrilaterals. It's very good. 7.48 multiplied by 2.7. So first we will do the multiplication. 7.48 multiplied by 2.7. 7 into 8, 56. 5. 28 plus 5, 33. 3. 49 plus 3, 52. 2 into 8, 16. 1, 9. 2 into 7 is 14. So when you add them now, 6, 9, 11, 1 carry हो गया, 10 आ गया यहाँ पे 1, 2, 20196. Now how many decimal places are? This is the product first of all. This is the multiplication of the two numbers. Now you count the decimal places. 1 decimal place in this number and 2 decimal places in this number. So total number of decimal places यहाँ पर कितने हो गए? 3 हो गए. 1, 2, 3. So 3 decimal places are there. Now, so you start from the right side in your answer. Start from the right side. Count 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 को छोड़ करके यहाँ पर decimal लगा दिया. So your answer is 20.196. But here what you have to do? You have to give your answer in 1 decimal place. So you have to round off. Round off करने के लिए you will look at the सेकेंड डिजिट आफ्टर डेसिमल, डेसिमल के बाद सेकेंड डिजिट को देखिए, ये क्या है 9, 9 इज ग्रेटर देन 5, बड़ा होता है, तो इन दोनों डिजिट्स को हटा के 1 की जगह 2 लिख देंगे, 20.2 is the answer. Got it, all of you? Have you all understood? I hope you all have understood. Everyone understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the
Sir.
answer of third one is 106. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Can I speak?
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
Sir, the answer of third one is 106.3.
Something like that only, yes.
Sir, my answer is 106.3.
Yeah, correct answer. 106.3 is the right answer. गुप्ता जी क्या कर रहे हो?
Sir, I want to say something.
हाँ जी कहिए.
Sir, I also want to say something.
There is not, sir, this time in our section, in our class, there is not graph.
There is not what?
Graph.
Graph?
Oh, sir.
There is not graph.
Sir is telling about the pictorial representation of data. Chapter.
Graph
Sir,
question.
this time there is not graph in our class.
You want to ask graph questions?
Yes, sir.
Graph, yes, sir.
Beta, I don't know whether it is
Sir,
or not. I will have to see.
sir, sir, I wanna.
But the graphs are counted in reasoning.
No, beta, it is not in.
अरे क्या हुआ क्या हुआ बेटी क्या हुआ
Graph is also a part of maths. But I will have to see your book. I don't know whether it is there in the 39 students. My God, this is a record. This is a world record. 39 students in a class. In one online class, 39 students. This is my record. Thank you to all of you for helping me making this record, this world record. Thank you so much. Yes, Abhiyan, you want to say something?
Sir, I want to say there is pictorial repetition and of data.
हाँ वो भी करेंगे बेटा वो भी करेंगे. Do you like it? All that pictorial representation and all that. जी Abhiyan, do you like it? Vedic, you want to say something? Vedic beta, do you want to say something? Yes.
Sir,
हाँ बताइए.
yes. Sir, if it is a world record for you, so sir, please take a screenshot of it.
Yes, I will take a screenshot of it. अभी ले लेता हूँ मैं. देखिए ये मेरा screenshot ये रहा. ये मैंने ले लिया screenshot. Okay. I have taken the screenshot and I will save it for the rest of my life. It will be with me. जी बेटा अब हम आगे पढ़ते हैं. I will take more queries. Yes, Unnati, you want to say something?
Yes, sir, I want to ask that after D, we will do more questions now?
Yes, we will do more questions now after completing the D question. Okay, so let's
Okay, sir.
all continue with the studies. I hope you all have done this. It was easy again. Question 5 is very similar to question 4, so I leave question 5 for you all. I hope you all will do it on your own. Question 5 again very simple one. Question 6 मैं करा देता हूँ because it is a question of division. Okay. Question 6, I will help you in this. 3.189 divided by 2. 3.189 divided by 2. Okay. So how we can do this? 3.189 divided by 2. So one time difference is 1. Now you will copy down the first digit after decimal. As soon as you copy the first digit after decimal, you have put a decimal in the place of quotient also. Okay. So now 11, 5 times 10. Subtract this, you get 1 as the remainder. Next digit is 8, 18, 9 times 18, remainder 0. Next digit is 9. 9 copy कर लिए. So this is 9. 4 times you will go. 4 times when you go, you get 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 is the remainder. So 1 0, because we have already written a decimal here. 1 0. The digits are finished, so you can write another 0. एक 0 free मिलता है. Decimal के बाद you can write 1 0. This is free of cost. 1 0. Okay. So now this becomes 10. लेकिन अगर 2 zeros, if you are writing 2 zeros, लगातार 2 zeros लगा रहे हैं, then वो फ्री नहीं मिलते हैं. दूसरा 0 फ्री नहीं है. अगर दूसरा 0 आप ऐड करें तो you will put a 0 here. Okay. 1 0 is free. So 10 बन गया. 5 times you can go. So 2 into 5 is 10. Difference is 0. So what is the answer? The answer is 1.5945. But you will have to give your answer only in one decimal place. So when you round off to one decimal place, you can see the second digit. The second digit is 9, which is greater than 5. तो इसके पीछे वाले digit को 5 की जगह 6 बना देंगे. 1.6. 1.6 is the answer. All of you. I hope you all have understood this. गुप्ता जी कहिए क्या कह रहे हैं, बहुत देर से परेशान हैं आप. गुप्ता जी.
Yes, sir. I am saying that. Sir, so today the class is about to over. So today, can you tell the homework, sir, please? Sir, the exams are also over.
Homework?
Yes, sir.
बेटा अभी तो there is 14 minutes left in the period first of all. So homework I will give you at the end if you want.
I know that.
Your homework is you do all the chapters again. Very small homework. Do all the chapters again in your only this one. इतना बड़ा कहाँ है, छोटा सा होमवर्क है. ये तो तुम ऐसे ही कर लोगे. रात को 8 बजे बैठना, 8:15 पे हो जाएगा. 8 से लेकर के 8 से. Am I right?
सर नहीं सर मैं 7 बजे उठ.
अरे तुम तो वो हो क्रिश, तुम तो कर ही सकते हो. हम सब तो कमजोर आदमी है, आम आदमी है. We are all normal people, आम आदमी. Mango people.
सर
But you are a superhero. You have superpowers. You are Krish. You can do it in 15. Huh?
Sir, she is laughing on me.
What? Daksh is laughing. Daksh, you are laughing. Chal. So now let's start with question E. All of you have understood. I hope you all have understood this. Very good. So some students are saying they want to talk. Ayushman wants to talk. Ayushman, yes, you can speak now. Ayushman.
Sir, then
What is the answer of fourth one?
Fourth one, I did this. The fourth one I just did on the board. What was the answer? I forgot the answer.
It is coming blur.
It was blur. The video was blur.
Yes, sir. Now it is clear. So can you tell the answer of fourth one?
Okay. Anyone, can you write the answer of fourth one in the chat box? Please help. I forgot क्या answer था. Please, can you write the answer on the chat box? 20.2. बहुत सारे बच्चों ने आंसर बता दिया. Answer of the fourth one is 20.2. Okay. Karan has also given the answer. उन्नति, भक्ति, पार्थ, शौर्य, गोविंद, इतने सारे बच्चों ने आंसर बता दिए. पार्थ ने जल्दी में 20 की जगह 22 लिख दिया. कोई बात नहीं, पार्थ तो क्रिश है, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. उन्नति को हंसी आ रही, अभियान को भी धीरे धीरे हंसी आ रही, धीरे धीरे आ रही. गुप्ता जी भी हंस रहे हैं. ओके, लेट्स डू क्वेश्चन ई. मजा आता है तुमको मैथ्स की क्लास में, सब पता है मुझे. यू ऑल एंजॉय मैथ्स क्लास, एम आई राइट? अच्छी तरह माइक ऑन करवा तो बोलो. डू यू ऑल लाइक मैथ्स?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I like math.
Yes, sir. Very much.
30 class of maths.
Yes, sir. That's my favorite subject. Also. Then I told you also. Sir, I do today in the class.
मारामारी मच गई है यहाँ पर तो मैथ्स की क्लास के लिए. Thank you so much. You all like maths. I hope you all will continue loving and showing your affection, showing your love towards maths like this only in your higher classes also. So my best wishes are with you all. I hope I will also be teaching you in your higher classes. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ that I will be teaching you. Abhiyan is trying to say something. He's doing some making some faces. I don't know. He's trying to say that he wants to eat something. Are you feeling hungry, Abhiyan? You're hungry, Abhiyan? Abhiyan wants to say something very important. Let me just unmute Abhiyan. Abhiyan Duhan. Yes, Abhiyan. You want to say something?
Sir,
Ji,
sir,
good luck.
I want to say that we only do not like the maths class, we also like the reasoning class.
अच्छा, रीजनिंग क्लास भी पसंद है. ओहो, ये अभियान ने 100 ग्राम मक्खन के साथ 20% एक्स्ट्रा, 20 ग्राम मक्खन एक्स्ट्रा लगा दिया. I'm joking, beta. Thank you very much. It's good that you like maths and reasoning, both the subjects. Abhiyan, do you know you are also a very cute child? ये तो I have told you many times. Even Adhiraj is also very cute. Adhiraj, I can see Adhiraj in black and white picture screen today. I don't know why he's having his screen black and white. Do you want to go to the past, Adhiraj? Black and white era में जाना है आपको? तो एक बार imagine करो कि if you go to some time, you do time travel and you go to the year, suppose 1950, in the year 1950, and then you go there, you meet the people of 1950, and then you tell them that, and you take your mobile phone with you in the year 1950, and then you all show them, take their pictures and you show them, ये देखो क्या चीज है मेरे पास. They must go, when they see your mobile phone they will go mad, है ना, पागल हो जाएंगे देख के. कितनी अच्छी अच्छी बातें होती हैं मैथ्स की क्लास में. मजा आ रहा है, सारे बच्चों को बोलने का मौका चाहिए. Okay, let's continue. Question E. Manu went for shopping and bought a pencil costing rupees 4.56 and a ruler costing 5.78. How much did he spend? Did he spend altogether, rounding off to nearest rupee? Okay, so Manu bought a pencil for rupees 5.78. Sorry, pencil, yeah, 4.56. Total amount कितना हो गया यहाँ पर? आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग दी टोटल अमाउंट क्या? पेंसिल की कॉस्ट और रूलर की कॉस्ट दोनों को ऐड कर देंगे. So there are two things Manu bought. First is a pencil. The cost of pencil is rupees 4.56. Yani ki the meaning, what is the meaning of this? This means 4 rupees 56 paise. Okay. And the cost of a ruler is 5.78. ऐसे कौन पैसे रखता है भैया? 5.78 रुपीज. मैंने तो आज तक कभी ऐसा जिंदगी में स्केल नहीं देखा जिसकी कॉस्ट 5.78 हो. या तो 5 रुपीज का हो या 6 रुपीज का हो. 5.78 का कौन सा हिसाब किताब है पता नहीं क्या है. बुक में पता नहीं कैसा क्वेश्चन बनाया है. So 4.56 is the cost of a pencil and 5.78 is the cost of a ruler. Total amount, if you add these two numbers, you will get the total amount. Let's add the two numbers, 4.56 and 5.78. So 8 plus 4 is 14. 1 carry over. 6 plus 7 is 13.1. So 10.34. The sum is 10.34 rupees. 10.34. The meaning is 10 rupees 34 paise. 34 paise. And in 1 rupee, how many paise you have? You have 50 paise. Sorry, 100 paisa in 1 rupee. 100 paise होते हैं 1 rupee में. Half of 100 means 50 paisa. 50 paise. 100 का half क्या होता है? 50 paisa. This is 34 paise. तो 34 paise 50 paisa से कम है. Am I right? 50 paise से कम है 34 paisa. तो I should pay the shopkeeper 10 rupees or 11 rupees. Round off करके बताना है कि मैं मुझे पूरे पैसे दें. पैसे तो है नहीं मेरे पास. I have only rupees. Either I will pay 10 rupees or 11 rupees. या तो 10 रुपए पकड़ाऊंगा या 11 रुपए पकड़ाऊंगा shopkeeper. तो 34 is more near to 10. 34 is 34 paisa. This amount 10 rupees 34 paisa is nearer to 10 rupees as compared to 11 rupees. Okay. So how much you will pay when you round it off? Your answer will be rupees 10. You will pay the shopkeeper only rupees 10. 34 पैसे आपने अपने बचा लिए. तो जब भी आप शॉपिंग पे जाइए कुछ ऐसा शॉपिंग करिए कि उसमें अमाउंट तो ज्यादा बने लेकिन राउंड ऑफ करके कम हो जाए. चालाकी से शॉपिंग करना. ठीक है. तो rupees 10 you have to pay. Understood all of you? Those who have understood they can raise their hands if you have understood the question. रेज वीडियो में रेज नहीं करना है, इसमें रेज करना है ऐप में. जूम में अपना हैंड रेज कर दीजिए इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड द क्वेश्चन. वेरी गुड. डोंट रेज योर हैंड इन द वीडियो. वीडियो में नहीं करना है. व्हाई आर यू रेजिंग योर हैंड इन द वीडियो? रेज योर हैंड इन द जूम ऐप. एडवांस बच्चे बनो भैया. 21st सेंचुरी के बच्चे हैं आप. अभियान दोनों तरीके से रेज कर रहा है. जूम में भी रेज कर रहा है और वीडियो में भी रेज कर रहा है. भरत इज वेरी हैप्पी टुडे. ही इज डांसिंग. Bharat is enjoying the class. Okay, very nice to see you all raising your hands. Okay, now you can lower your hands. Lower your hands. Very good. Lower your hands. Yeah, nice. Everyone lower your hand. Okay. Now let's move on to the second question. A bottle contains 45.78 liters of water. This was question number 1 of, sorry, part 1 of question E. This one was part 1 of question E. Let's do the second part now. a bottle contains 45.78 liters of water, jug contains 38.65 liters of water. Total amount of water कितना हो गया दोनों चीजें में मिला के, total amount आपको निकालना है. So total amount of water is equal to, you add the two numbers, 45. This is the amount of water in the bottle में कितना है 45.78 लीटर्स. ऐसी कौन सी बॉटल होती है जिसमें 45 लीटर वाटर आ जाता है भाई साहब? ये कौन सी दुनिया की जायंट बॉटल है? कैसी बॉटल है? 45 लीटर इज टू मच. कौन सी बॉटल है भाई साहब? 45.78 लीटर ऑफ वाटर इज देयर इन अ बॉटल एंड देयर इज अ जग. ये जग भी क्या जायंट जग है? कैसा जग है? 38.65. It is imaginary. 65, sorry, 65. So these are the two things. This much water is there in the bottle, this much water is there in the jug. Total amount of water, you add the two numbers, 45.78 plus how much time is left in the class? Few seconds are left. Let me finish this quickly. 38.65. So 3, 1, 13, 14, 4, 1, 6 plus 8, 14, 4, 1, 8. 84.43. The sum is 84.43. But when you round off to the nearest liter, you will write only 84. So 84 liters of water is there, round off after rounding off to the nearest liter. That means you have to remove the decimal part. 84 liters of water. Clear? So those who have understood, raise your hands. Karan, do you want to say something? Karan, where are you? Okay, so that's it for today.